Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook app. The next thing you need to do, after you open up your Facebook app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. That's going to take you to Facebook Marketplace. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on sell. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on items or vehicle or property for sale. Everything depends on what you want to sell on Facebook. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply choose items. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to add pictures. So at this point here, I'm going to select as many as possible picture from my phone and click on next. Now, having selected the picture, next thing you need to do is to simply title the name of the product. So this is a stock jean. Then you have to move to the price section. Enter the price. Then automatically it moves to boy jeans category. You can leave it in the category, but if that is not related to your category, simply click on here and then you see variety category. From here you can choose your category. So the next thing you want to do is to simply click on condition right here. Then here you will need to determine whether the item is new, used like new, used goods, or fairly used. I'm going to put it in new. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply enter your product description right here, and then you have to simply scroll down. So having entered your description, you can also change the location right here. When you change your location, it simply means that you are targeting the actual location that you want your customer to come from. So for you to do that, simply click on edit right here. And right here, you can come to the top right here and enter your new location. So I'm going to simply enter Ikeja. Then I'm going to click on OK. Then I'm going to simply click on apply. It simply means that all my customer will be coming from Ikeja, Lagos State. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on publish from the top right here. And in a few minutes, the item is going to be publishing and it's going to be under review by Facebook. Once the Facebook approve the item, then it be on live and you start making sales without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply sell on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.